International Tiger Day was observed. Do you know that tiger conservation is an important topic for any civil service examination? Hello everyone, I, Mahashwata Goswami, welcome you to the Academy of Civil Services. As I have stated regarding the importance of tiger conservation, let me tell you one thing. In the year 1973, Government of India initialized the Project Tiger. And yes, today we are successful because India has 53 tiger reserves, and out of them, 14 tiger reserves have got the CATS certification, that is Conservation Assured Tiger Standard certification. And in fact, India has the global more than 70% of the tiger in our country. Then tell me one thing. Here is a question for you all. Which is the first tiger reserve of India? If you know the answer, then definitely you can comment it down below. Whether it's Manas Tiger Reserve, whether it's Corbett, whether it's Sundarban, or whether it's Annamalai Tiger Reserve. We will definitely wait for your comment, and if you are having any specific query or if you want to know anything regarding science and tech, ecology and environment, you can definitely comment down and we will try to post a video in the next upcoming session. Thank you very much.